Hey, welcome to Love Live Save. We have another great week at Dollar General to stock up on personal care items, so I put together these deals that you can do this Saturday, April 8th, again at Dollar General. If you enjoy the deals, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up like button. It goes a long way to help support my channel. It's greatly appreciated. I'm working on some rather big goals for my channel in 2023, so I really appreciate your help. But before we get started with all of the couponing deals in today's video, I wanted to let you know about my Patreon page. For a small monthly fee every month, you gain access to things like my complete couponing deals list as a PDF format that you can download and print off or just keep it on your smartphone and easily have access to all of my couponing deals all in one spot when you go to the store on Saturday. On average, I post at least 100 to 120 couponing deals every week, so if you're interested, I have all the information you need down in the video description. So let's get started with the deals. For our first deal, grab one of the Secret aluminum-free deodorants, 2 bottles of Tresemme shampoo, and 1 bottle of Olay Generous facial scrub. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.50, and then we have $12 worth of digital coupons. Of course, that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $14.50 plus tax, or a 45% off savings. Now, in an effort to make this deal video not super long, I'm going to change something up a little bit, how I word things. And I'd really appreciate you leave me some feedback down below and let me know what you thought, if it was helpful to you. I'd really appreciate it. So, moving on to personal care deal number 2. Grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste, 1 box of Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, 1 box of Crest 3D Brilliance toothpaste, 1 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes, and then 1 of the 2-count pack of Febreze Small Spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.40 plus tax, or a 65% off savings. What'd you think? Leave me a comment down below. I think that made it easier to say, personally. For deal number 3, we're going to stock up on some body wash. I get this request quite often, and we don't really get good coupons for it quite often enough for some weird reason, but we got a good one this week. So for this deal, grab 2 bottles of Head & Shoulders shampoo, 1 of the 30-ounce size bottles of Old Spice body wash, and then 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak spray. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.85 plus tax, or a 53% off savings. I was super excited to see the $5 off of 3 Olay coupon come back. We used to get it all the time, and then we didn't for months, so I'm really excited to have it back. So for our 4th deal, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste, 2 of the smaller size of Axe deodorants, 3 boxes of the Olay Beauty Bar 2-count packs, and then finally 1 of the 2-count packs of Oral-B toothbrushes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $8.45 plus tax, or a 67% off savings. This is a really great deal to replenish your stockpile and score some really great deals. I can't tell you how many requests I got to put together some Dove body wash coupon deals when we got this $3 off Dove coupon. It's such a fantastic coupon. Very much a more rare type of coupon. So if this is a product you use for your family, take this opportunity to stock up on such a low price. So for our 5th deal, grab 2 boxes of the Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, 1 bottle of Dove body wash, 1 of the Febreze plugins, and then 1 of the Eric plugins. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $8.45 plus tax, or a 68% off savings. Not bad. You may be wondering, Mandy, why do you have dish soap in a personal care couponing deal video? Well, let me tell you. Years ago at my husband's old job, he used to come home covered in graphite because it was a factory job. And one of the only things that would get it off is dish soap. And for years, we had a bottle of dish soap in our shower like it was body wash. So for those of you that have family members that are in a similar situation, I put together this great deal for you. For our 6th deal, grab 1 pack of the Always Infinity pads, 1 pack of the Always Ultra Thin pads, 2 bottles of that Palmolive dish soap. I absolutely love that coupon. Totally plan on taking advantage of it. 1 bottle of Dove body wash, and then 1 of the Febreze Small Spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.70 plus tax, or a 57% off savings. I know a lot of us couponers have a tendency of having a lot of toothpaste in our stockpiles because it's one of the easiest things to coupon. You should never pay full price for it. But in case you're like me and you've realized that a lot of the toothpaste in your stockpile is starting to reach its expiration date, in case you didn't know, yes, toothpaste does have an expiration date. You should definitely make sure you check it out. It's usually on the end of the box. I've put together this couponing deal because this is a really great time to replenish your toothpaste in your stockpile. For our 7th deal, grab 2 bottles of Ajax dish soap, 2 boxes of the 2-count Colgate Total toothpaste, one of the Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and then finally one of the Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.85 plus tax, or a 63% off savings. This is an amazing deal to replenish your stockpile. For our 8th deal, grab one of the Secret aluminum-free deodorants, 2 bottles of Head & Shoulders shampoo, 1 bottle of Dove body wash, and then one of the Febreze plugins. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.20 plus tax, or a 61% off savings. For our 9th deal, grab 2 of the Axe deodorants, 1 of the Secret clinical deodorants, 2 bottles of Palmolive dish soap, 1 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes, and then 1 box of Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.70 plus tax, or a 65% off savings. I'm telling you guys, this is such an amazing week to stock up on personal care items. For our 10th deal, we're going to stock up on Tresemme shampoo. Now, I know the $4 off Tresemme shampoo coupon expired, but we still have a really great one with the $3 off a 2 Tresemme coupon. So it's a great time to stock up. So for our 10th deal, grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, 2 bottles of Tresemme shampoo, and then 1 box of Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.35 plus tax, or a 55% off savings. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up like button. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and join our Love Live Save couponing community. I teach you to save as much money as you can every week. I post couponing deals and do my live couponing chats where you can join in and ask questions. It's a really great place to save money. While you're at it, make sure you click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my couponing content or do one of my live chats, you'll receive a notification, you won't miss out, and I will see you in the next video.